Data acquisition is the backbone of mapping. It accounts for approximately 70% of mappers' work, according to many relevant sources. So if you want to be a good cartographer, you can't do it without data acquisition. Hi everyone, welcome to Tech with Kofi. On this channel, I provide insights about relevant softwares. And in my very first video, I spoke about how to use ArcGIS as a beginner. So if you are a beginner in map creation, kindly check it out. That is the link at the top right corner. Okay, like I said, data acquisition is very important as a mapper. You can't be a good cartographer without data acquisition. That is why in this tutorial, I want to teach you how you can download and install Google Earth Pro. Google Earth Pro is a data acquisition software. Do you get it? So we have the ArcMap, ArcGIS, or the QGIS that we use for mapping. But if you want the data that you can manipulate or work with it in these softwares, Google Earth Pro is one software that can help you. Do you get it? So in this video, I want to teach you how you can download and install it. But before we begin, kindly subscribe to this channel for tutorials like this. So to install Google Earth Pro, you go straight to your browser, then you search for insert Google Earth Pro. After that, the first website that will come, you go straight to the first website that will come. Then you navigate install or uninstall Google Earth. Then you navigate install Google Earth Pro on Windows, download Google Earth Pro. You see? Yes. Then you come to accept and download. You see, it is downloading. Yes. When the downloading is complete, then you can click on it, then start downloading it. Okay. Then after that, when the downloading is complete, let's go straight to my desktop. You see, it is downloading. Now the download is complete, so it is installing. When the installation is complete, you see, yes, my Google Earth Pro software is ready. So now I can open it and use it to collect my preferred data. Do you get it? Let's search for Kumasi, Ghana. Kumasi, Ghana. You see, it is taking me to Kumasi, Ghana. So now I can do whatever I want to do. Download image, install coordinates, and whatever I want to do with Kumasi, Ghana.